and gentlemen, this is Azan RS Auto. Today I'll be working on a 2003 Honda Pilot. The problem is that when you start the car, you can see the security light is on. It has gone off. Security light has gone on. But when you rev the engine, the security light starts blinking. You can see security light blinks. See, that is the problem. So we are going to diagnose what the problem is. Please stay tuned and watch to the end. Thank you. So we are going to diagnose it. I've connected our scanner. The system is on. It's on the system selection. Canada, not US. Funny enough, the immobilizer, there's no fault code in the immobilizer system. So the fault code we have is in the engine, the ABS, and the airbag system. So let us see what we have. Let's see what we have in the ABS, in the engine, auto sensor, and intake air control valve. Then the ABS, and the airbag. So let's go to the immobilizer system. Let's see what is happening there. Click on the immobilizer system. Okay, let us see your system log. Let's see. Type of key, undefined, number of key present in the system, your two registered keys. Let's do a system check. Ignition off, ignition on. The number system is normal, so everything seems okay with the immobilizer system. Let me go to the check the PIDs for the engine. So the immobilizer is run. Let's put the engine speed. So let's see what happens when I start the car now. Still run. Let me rev it and see what. So it still remaining wrong. Okay. So everything seems to be okay from this end. Okay, from what I've discovered so far, there's the indicator light for the security is being controlled by the immobilizer, the ECM. So I'm going to got a new ECM. This is the old ECM. This is the new ECM. So I want to put this in and program it to the system. After installing the new ECU, immediately we put on the engine. The immobilizer light isn't showing here. We'll do the scan. Say there's no immobilizer fault. Actually, it brought out the same fault that the old ECM brought. I don't know why. So, but let me see what we have here. So, immobilizer system is not normal. Possible failure. ECM, PCM failure. So it actually shows that I cannot communicate with the immobilizer system. Let me also check. Let me also check the engine control module. Careful like that, huh? immobilizer is still stating wrong here. Okay. Okay, I put the new ECM, the used one. It didn't work, so this was the used one, and I put the old one back. Put the old one back. Funny enough, it's not blinking again after when you rev the engine. So I guess the disconnection and reconnection of the ECM, of course, after spending some time, has kind of reset the system. The ECM and everything seems to work. So, problem solved by simply disconnecting the ECM, wait for a while, reconnect it. Problem solved. This is Azan RS Auto. Kindly like, share, and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thank you for watching.